Hello guys, welcome back. This is Kavita, my talks and tips. Today I came with another interesting video that is immune boosting breakfast which can be prepared within 5 minutes. Because of its nutritional values, it can be useful to protect from the corona in this pandemic situation. So before going to know the recipe, I thought let me share some nutritional facts of the particular preparation which can be helpful to know about the values of the particular preparation. So let's get started. Fermented rice is nothing but the rice which is soaked for 12 hours. After cooking the rice, it lets cool down to the room temperature and it's soaked in the fresh water, that is drinking water, for 12 hours. Means you have to prepare for the breakfast, means before day only you have to make it the rice in the afternoon and soak it in the water up to next day morning. That is the process is known as a fermentation process. So the food particularly known as a fermented rice. This is very healthy rice because compared to the normal rice, the particular rice nutritional values are improved because of the process of fermentation. So here the iron content, if you take for 100 milligrams of rice, which is changed to 3.4 milligrams to 73.91 milligrams after fermentation process. This is unconditionally very high rich of iron content in the rice. At the same time, if you soak the brown rice in the same manner, which can produce the vitamin B12. So the vitamin B12 is very essential for the metabolic activities and helpful for the health. At the same time, vitamin B cures health issues like ulcers in stomach. Some people who are having the ulcers and stomach problems like gastrointestinal problems and gastric acid problems, those people can be eaten this breakfast to protect from their ulcers, at the same time to cure their ulcers. In olden days, this fermented rice can be given to the patients who are very low in the energy, very low at the vitamin level, and who are suffering with lots of deficiency of some vitamins, which can be given with this fermented rice. So this is the ancestors method. So because of this thing, which is having the several microorganisms by this fermentation process, those microorganisms are very helpful for the human health. When you take in this fermented water and rice, the bacteria which enters into our body, which will help to produce the safe bacteria in gut especially. So when it is enters into the gut area, the protected and safe bacteria, when it is produced, which will effectively helpful for the laxative properties of the intestine. So due to this, constipation problem is completely eradicated with this process. So at the same time, which is very healthy for the lactating mothers, because of this fermented rice will produce the lactic acid. At the same time, which is very rich in the vitamin E and ferulic acid, which helps for the hairs and nails also, which is also very rich in the sodium, potassium, at the same time carbohydrates and dietary fibers and sugars and vitamin C and calcium and iron. Because of these many nutritional values, this fermented rice is very helpful to improve the metabolic activities of human body, particularly which will support to enhance the immune system by giving the lots of loaded nutrients and proteins and vitamins for the body. Because of this, immune system will be developed a lot. At the same time, the particularly sodium and potassium helpful for the human being health day by day metabolic activities. Due to this, the immune system and protecting nature of the body will be improved due to this fermented rice. Compared to eating the normal rice, the fermented rice is healthier and safer, at the same time immune booster for the human body. So now let's get started into the recipe preparation, which is very easy and within 5 minutes you can make it. So let's get started into the recipe. For this, first you have to cook the rice one day before in the afternoon and you have to soak it in the water for 12 hours. Next day in the morning, first you have to take a small onion and chop it for the side dish. Next you need some salt, rock salt, and at the same time the curd, which is 4 or 5 spoons according to your taste, just to mask the taste of the fermented rice, which is very tasteless actually, so that's why. So into this add salt according to your taste. For 2 people, half spoon of the salt will be required. Next 4 or 5 spoons of curd according to your taste. The fresh curd should be taken. Next, after adding the curd, you just smash the rice with your fingers only, because the rice will be very soft and tender. So if you smash with your hands or smasher, it will be very slurry to drink. That's it. That is the preparation. So next, it is ready to serve. So within glasses you can drink it, or with spoon also you can take. For the taste and for the masking of the taste, you have to add curd and salt. So for the munching, it should be taken with any pickle like raw mango pickle or lemon pickle, and with onions it will be very tasty. And some people also use some green chilies with a combination of this one. It's very yummy to taste. So that's it about this preparation. This is very simple and very easy, but it's loaded with lots of nutritional values. Because of addition of onions and the pickle, it will be helpful. If you are having some problems with pickle, then you just avoid the pickle eating and just only take the green chili and onions combination. That will be fine who are not taking the pickle. So that's it. This is about the fermented rice breakfast preparation, which is very common in the South Indian people, but North India we don't know. So it is highly loaded with nutritional values, and which is very helpful. Once in the morning, if you take this kind of healthier breakfast, the day will be very healthy and very enjoyable. At the same time, once you started taking this breakfast daily or alternate days, within 1 month you can see the improvement of your health. That's all about this video today. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for this kind of more informative videos and DIYs and home decors and hauls. Thanks for watching.